This ebook is designed specially for railway and SSC steno exams. A lot of contractions and advanced physiographics are used for speedy writing. For the convenience of students, this ebook is designed on A4 sheets and it is printable. We highly recommend you practice it thoroughly. You can collect the ebook from the link given in the description box below. This is a petition for quashing the order dated 14/12/2012, passed in complaint case number 930(C) of 2011 by the Sub-Divisional Judicial Magistrate Patna, whereby and whereunder the learned court below has ordered for issuance of process against the petitioners to face trial for offence under section 498A of the Indian Penal Code. According to the complaint petition, opposite party number 2, Ranju Sinha, entered into love marriage on 28/3/2006 with late Rajiv Kumar Sinha. The petitioners are brother and mother of late Rajiv Kumar Sinha. Out of the wedlock, a male child was born on 13/7/2007, and on 25/3/2008, Rajiv Kumar Sinha died an unnatural death when the complainant was in her father's house. When the complainant was to report the matter to the police, the petitioners promised to pay ₹1,000 as maintenance, and after 1 year of the death of the husband, the petitioners stopped maintenance of ₹1,000 and started torturing for demand of dowry. Specific allegation is that on 1/4/2011, when the complainant was sleeping in her room, then the petitioners and others entered and started assaulting for non-fulfillment of demand of dowry and threatened to expel her from the house. Further allegation is of commission of theft of gold chain from the neck of complainant. The witnesses Sandhya Kumari and Baitarani Devi were examined during inquiry, and they supported the case of the complainant, which is evident from the impugned order. The petitioners have neither denied on oath that the witnesses have supported the prosecution case nor have produced depositions of those witnesses to substantiate that they did not support the prosecution case. The record reveals that the matter was sent for mediation. After appearance of opposite party number 2, the report of the mediator dated 13/3/2015 would reveal that mediation failed because petitioner number 2, Sanjeev Kumar Sinha, denied the marriage of the complainant with his brother. The petitioners have challenged the impugned order, firstly on the ground that even if the averment in the complaint petition and the statement of the witnesses is assumed to be correct, no offence under section 498A of the Indian Penal Code is made out. I do not find any substance in the submission aforesaid after perusal of the complaint petition. Paragraphs 8 and 9 thereof reads as follows: that after expiry of 1 year of the death of the husband of the complainant, the accused persons stopped to pay ₹1,000 and started to torture for demand for dowry and mentally also, and they have told that without dowry how we live in this house. You have liked the video, hit the like button and consider subscribing.